The tool that I'm using is a vine checker, and there's a needle eraser. When you see this setup, the first thing, what came to your mind? If you think about, oh, it's a guitar and a barrel, it may not really help you. Does that help you for your drawing? Not really. Most common problem that people thinking about something and then they draw from that concept. The first thing you're looking at over here is what's the overall shape. The answer should be a triangle. Oh, where I'm going to draw the triangle. Okay, the triangle. I'm going to draw the triangle over here. There's the barrel. And there's the guitar, but form it together. It looks like a little triangle. See that? That's a triangle. And I believe the answer to that is you can draw this. Anyone can draw this. If you pay attention to looking for the information that is going to help you for the drawing, which is also be visual elements. And you say, oh, that looks like a triangle. That's fine. You have to put the triangle over here. All you're looking for is this triangle. And then you're going to looking for what's the angle of that side. You can actually put your hand like this, squint one eye, and this is the angle, right? And then you're going to move it on. That's easy. Everyone can do it. If you have a pencil, it's just easy. Just hold on it, and this is the angle. Transfer over. Oh, that probably slant a little bit more, like this angle. If this is the bottom of the barrel, you can measure that too. Line up with the bottom of the barrel, and the other point line up the bottom of the guitar. Move over. It looks like the guitar can be a little lower. At this step, you also need to check on, is that too big on my paper? The top of the guitar probably here because judge on this angle, just let's say the barrels, the top over here, that's the angle. Right, okay, now we know the guitar from here to here. Right? That's the top of the guitar, like that. This is good. Now I know the top of the barrel about here. Draw roughly, okay? Don't have to be 100% correct. And about coming down over here. And as I said, we're going to learn about measure the width to the height, comparative measurement. So we're going to learn that in next class. And what I'm going to do from here. Okay, looks like this side of the guitar is over here. And from here to here, 1/3 is actually you see the edge, see the side of the guitar, something like that. I'm going to show you how to draw from observation, one little piece at a time. I'm going to draw the guitar first. I'm going to start from here on the top over here. And all you want to look for is a little information. The top over here. Look at the angle of that piece and then stop. After you draw that much, stop. But your hand and your pencil stay on that point. And look for the next part, and then stop. And then look for the next part, stop. And then come up over here, and now start. I'm looking for, stop, and look, and stop, and look. And stop, and look. And stop, and look. A little turn, look again. Just a little inch at a time. Not more than that. Start. Look, keep going. I'm going to look a little bit faster and draw a little bit faster. I'm going to coming down over here and come and connect this. There's all small pieces at a time, right? Now that's good. Now I'll come back over here. I'm looking for the angle. Turn a little bit. Oh, okay, look again. Don't draw without looking, without observation. Okay. Look again. Look again. Okay. The drawing process actually makes you to be more focused, more listening to your mind telling you what to look for and analyze it and comparing. And actually the whole process, it can be very simple. And I'm going to draw and look and draw much faster. I'm going to keep looking and looking. That is the fundamental, the key skills that you're going to have. I will show you, if you get this correctly, you can finish the drawing like just so easy. The whole barrel over here, little shape. I'm gonna moving like that. That's one barrel. Inside over here a little bit darker, to make it a little darker. That's what we're gonna talk about more next week after we take care of the line drawing. Like that. That is look like a barrel. Right? And the guitar shaped a little bit over here, and we can keep a little details coming back over here if we need to. And on this side, a little bit darker than the other side, and a little bit like that. This side, of course, a little bit darker because the light coming from the other direction. I'm going a little bit lighter and turn a little bit darker, like that. And inside over here, this oval, a little bit darker, like that. And you can add a little line onto this bar like this, and then put the shadow over here. It's very soon you can get something look realistic.